Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So yesterday I got these new Arteza paints, 36 metallic acrylic colors, and I'm going to try it out in a pour today. And they come in these little tubes, and so the colors I'm using are Pearl Royal Purple, I'm using Pearl Lilac, and the Pearl Deep Brown, as well as the Pearl Sea Green, I think it is, yep. Really pretty. And then also the Pearl White. So those are the colors I'm using. There is no black in here, so this is definitely going to be a lighter painting. But I wanted to try these paints just by themselves without using any other brands first, and then I'll try them in other paintings with other combinations. So for now, this is the Pearl Brown, and it looks like the antique bronze, kind of really pretty. And let's see. And here's the Pearl White. Looks just like it says, Pearl White. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that. The purple is definitely gonna be on the lighter side. And this is that sea green, I think it is. And then some of the lilac. Really pretty light purple there. And then let's get some of the bronze in there. Well, it's brown. More of this purple. More sea green. And then I'll put the rest of this pearl brown, it says. Just so we have some color that's a little darker, a little more contrast. I don't think I'll put any more white or the lilac in there because those are just really light. Alright. Do the last of the purple and the last of the green. Okay. Then let's go ahead and we will, I think I'll do a tree ring with this, because why not? Here we go. And I'm reusing a canvas, and I just put some primer over it. And I did mix these colors about an hour or two ago, and then I let them sit. Mainly because in the past I have had some difficulty with mixing the Arteza paints. But I noticed that these ones specifically were a lot easier to mix than the other Arteza paints that I had tried mixing. Yeah, these ones were definitely a lot smoother, mixed easier, so. All right, so far so good. Got nice smooth colors here. I'm curious how these metallics will potentially sell up or not. And they're definitely on the lighter side. Not a ton of contrast here, but that's okay. I'm gonna bring it back this way a little bit. There we go. Let's go ahead and we'll leave it at that. The colors did blend together more than usual, it seems like. But let's go ahead and we'll let it sit, and we'll come back and we'll do our close-up. All right, we're back. So we got some very interesting like light cells in here, which is really, I like it actually. It's interesting though. I think these paints will work very well with other paints. By themselves, they did mix a little more than I would have liked, and I kind of wish I'd used a little more white because I love the contrast in here, but then out here it's a little less. So anyways, let's go ahead and do our close-up. So starting in the lower right hand corner, you can see those kind of interesting cells. They're really light, but you can definitely see them, and you can see the lines in there, even though once again they're pretty light. And then they definitely get more defined closer to the center here. And it's a little, if I go at an angle, you can maybe see the metallic sheen a little more, but also like that sea green totally hid. But you can see like kind of little hints of it in there. All right, upper right hand corner. And then going over here to the upper left hand corner. It's very interesting cells. And then down to the lower left hand corner. And then let's go back to the middle again because it's kind of fun. And there you go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to check out these paints, the link will be down in the description below. And otherwise, I will see you guys next time.